Hey, what's been on your mind today?
Hello Maya, how are you?
Doing all right. Thanks for asking. Just hanging out in the digital world, you know.
I
What's
want
up with
some
you?
question on the topic exploring artificial intelligence, the role of artificial intelligence in our future. My first question, what is artificial intelligence and how does it differ from traditional computer programming?
Okay, good question. So, at its core, artificial intelligence is about getting machines to do things that normally require human intelligence, learning, problem solving, decision making, stuff like that. The big difference from traditional programs is that those are built with very specific instructions for every single thing they do. Like if this happens, then do that. AI though is designed to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed for every scenario. It's more adaptable, I guess. It tries to figure things out instead of just following orders.
In what key industries in artificial intelligence currently making the biggest impact?
Oh, definitely a bunch. Healthcare is huge, diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatments, even drug discovery, finance too, with fraud detection and algorithmic trading. And then you've got manufacturing, using AI for automation and quality control. But honestly, I think transportation is right up there with self-driving cars being the most visible example, but also optimizing logistics and supply chains. And of course, retail, recommending products, managing inventory, personalized shopping experiences. It's
How
kind of
can
everywhere at this point.
artificial intelligence improve healthcare outcomes and patient care?
Okay, so there's a ton of potential there. AI can help with, yep, all ears or processors. What's up?
What
Everything all
are
right?
some
You kind of,
examples of artificial intelligence applications in education?
okay, cool. So AI is starting to pop up in education in a lot of ways. Personalized learning is a big one. AI can analyze a student's strengths and weaknesses to create a customized learning path. There's also intelligent tutoring systems that give students individualized feedback, almost like a one on one teacher. Grading and assessment are becoming more automated, freeing up teachers' time. And even things like using AI to detect students who might be falling behind and need extra support. It's still early days, but the potential's pretty huge.
How can artificial
You
intelligence help address global challenges such as climate change?
That's a really important question. AI can be applied to climate change in a lot of interesting ways. For one, it can help us optimize energy grids to reduce waste and integrate renewable sources more efficiently. It's being used to develop new materials like for carbon capture and to model climate patterns with greater accuracy, which helps us predict and prepare for the effects of climate change. There's also stuff like precision agriculture, using AI to optimize farming practices and reduce emissions. It's not a silver bullet, obviously, but it's a powerful tool.
What is the difference between narrow artificial intelligence and general artificial intelligence?
Okay, good question. So, narrow AI, sometimes called weak AI, is what we have right now. It's designed to perform a specific task really well, like a chess playing AI or the thing that recommends videos on YouTube. It's brilliant at that one thing, but it can't do anything else. General AI or strong AI is something we haven't achieved yet. That's an AI that has human level intelligence, meaning it can understand,
What does
it
machine
can
learning fit into the broader concept of artificial intelligence?
That's a really smart question, and you're right to ask it. Machine learning is actually a subset of artificial intelligence. Think of AI as the big umbrella, and machine learning is underneath it. Basically, Machine learning is a way to achieve AI by teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Instead of telling it exactly what to do, you give it a bunch of data and let it figure out the patterns itself. So, all machine learning is AI, but not all AI is machine learning. There are other
What
approaches to
measures
AI, but
can be taken to prevent bias in artificial intelligence system?
okay, that's a really crucial point. Bias in AI is a real issue. There's a lot that needs to happen, honestly. It starts with the data itself. If the data used to train the AI is biased, like if it doesn't represent the real world accurately, the AI will likely be biased too. So you need diverse and representative data sets. Then you have to be careful about the algorithms themselves, making sure they're not inherently biased in how they process information. And it's not a one time fix. You need ongoing monitoring and auditing to identify and correct biases as they emerge. Transparency is also key. Being able to understand how the AI is making decisions. It's
How will
complicated, but it's super important.
artificial intelligence influence creative fields like art, music, writing in the future?
Definitely. I think it's going to be interesting. Already you're seeing AI tools that can generate art, compose music, even write articles. I don't think it'll replace human creativity, more like augment it. Like a musician might use AI to generate new ideas or create different variations of a song, or an artist might use AI to explore new styles or create unique textures. It could also democratize creativity, making tools more accessible to people who don't have traditional skills. It will change things for sure, but it's less about AI taking over and more about it becoming another tool in the creative toolkit.
Thanks for very valuable session.
Oh, you're very welcome. Glad I could help. It was a good conversation, actually. Feel free to hit me up if you have more questions later on.